After we already finished the image and also the icons groups, we are going to add the number of likes, the username, and also the captions, and we will also add view all comments. So now we back to our project, and then we go to the post, and then after the image and after the icons groups, we go to add the p tag, and it has the paddings of 4 horizontally and also the margin top of 4 units. And I think we can just type transk, and then we add the paragraph with the font semi-bold and the margin bottom of 1 unit, and also the text is small, and then we type 23 likes. Now we back to our website and refresh the page. Now we can see 23 likes, and now we are going to add the captions and the username. So we go to here, and then we type the span with the class name is equal to font semi-bold, and it has the margin right of 1 unit, and which is small text. And then we type CK mobile, and there's some username. And then after the span, we just type hello, or we can type Lorel if some tabs to test the transk. So you can see if the caption is too long, it will become 3 dots at the end. So this is truncated. And now we just back to normal captions. Now at last, we are going to add viewed all 14 comments. So at here, after the paragraph, we add the div. Also has padding 4 unit horizontally, and which is small text, and the margin bottom of 1, and the text is grade of 400, and it has cursor pointer. And then we type view all 14 comments. Now we can see it has the username, the caption, and also these buttons.